Hi, this is Jana and welcome to my kitchen. I have about a tablespoon and a half of oil. I just put some olive oil in the pan just so it didn't stick.
What are we making today?
Oh, thanks Erin for asking. What are we making today with onion? We are making Coney sauce. And it's like chili, chili dog. Up north we call them conies. Yeah. And this is the simple version. I have a long version. This is the shortcut version because I've talked to people and they said, we like things that have very few ingredients and, we don't have all the spices that you have or whatever. And so I'm going to do this short version so you don't have to go out and buy a bunch of different ingredients to feed your family. And it's cold right now. This is perfect for winter. This is perfect for summer barbecues. This is perfect for anything. This tailgating, Super Bowl, which is coming up in another week. Yeah, week from tomorrow, Super Bowl. And so I am softening some onion here. We're just going to soften it. We don't want to brown it. We want to soften it. And that doesn't take very long. And this has got things that you probably have around the house, or you can send your husband to the store or whatever and get something real quick, or one of your kids that drives. And so all we need is a can of chili, already made, the Hormel chili, some ketchup, mustard, hot sauce, and we're going to have some Coney dogs. And so we've already got some crispy skin-on wieners going on over here, some hot dogs already steaming away. I've got some hot dog buns that I'm going to steam right before we put the Coney sauce on them. And we're going to serve them with some Taco John's tots, my homemade copycat version of those. That'll be in a separate video. You'll have to watch for those. And so we're going to make that video today too for you. And so I'm softening this. So I'm going to turn my heat down just a little bit. I don't want to brown these. And we'll be right back when these are softened. We're back. And so here is my onions, and they are almost softened, but they are close enough because I want this all to simmer together. And so I have a 15-ounce can of Hormel chili with no beans. But if you want beans, go get the beans. I'm not a huge fan of this, and I would never eat a bowl of this by itself. That's just me personally. But a lot of people really like it. My husband likes it. But I use it as a base for a couple of recipes that I have. Well, several recipes actually, including some dips. Had to turn my fire down. My heat was a little bit high up there. Okay, now I got it cool down there. I'll turn my fire back. Oh, I just slopped all over my stove again. I slopped hot dog juice on my clean stove. And now I just slopped some chili onto my stove. All right, so now I've got 1 cup of ketchup. Whatever your favorite ketchup is, my husband's favorite ketchup is Heinz. It was part of our marriage vows that I will never run out of Heinz ketchup. He didn't like it when his mom bought Del Monte ketchup, which was on sale or whatever, and it has pineapple juice sweetening in Del Monte, and he does not like. He likes pineapple, but he doesn't like it in his ketchup. That was the old days. I don't know if they still do or not, because I would never dare buy it, so I don't look at it. All right, and now we've got 1 tablespoon of Tabasco or your favorite hot sauce, and 1 tablespoon of mustard, just regular yellow table mustard like you'd put on a hot dog. And guess what? That is all the ingredients in Coney sauce. And so I do have to let this simmer together for probably about 20 minutes or so, until all the onion is really soft and all the flavors are melted together. If you want to add some black pepper, you can add black pepper. And then of course, after it's cooked for a little bit, you want to taste it and adjust, add a little more mustard, whatever. But behind me, I have my hot dog buns. I've got some pickle relish. I've got fresh onions, all micro diced. And this will go faster for you if you micro dice, finely dice your onion. because you do want that onion to be soft. So I'm gonna let this just simmer away. Hopefully it doesn't splatter all over my stove like I've already done. And we will be back. Okay, we are back and our chili Coney sauce is done and simmered. We simmered it slowly for about a half an hour. And now put it on our hot dog. And this is my husband's. And so I'm gonna add what he likes to it. I'm gonna add some onions because he likes onions. If you don't like onions, don't put them on. And I'm gonna add a little bit of mustard. Just like that. And that is his favorite Coney dog. But also check out my video. I made some Taco John's potato ole tots. And he is a tot lover, and this is his birthday weekend. And so it's all about what he likes. And so that's why we're having all of these things that he likes this weekend. So thank you for stopping by Janet's Kitchen. Go get your hot dog with some nice chili Coney sauce. Thank you for stopping by.